If you are a day trader, I think you should definitely know about VIX and how it works. As you can see here, this is the Thinkorswim platform with Charles Schwab, and this is what I use mostly for my charting. And what you can do with this is, so right here I have VIX, but then I have the Nasdaq overlaid on top of VIX, so you can start to see the patterns and the correlation between the two. In general, and this is not always, but if VIX is trending up, more times than not, Nasdaq will trend down. So if you got caught in the long last Friday thinking Nasdaq was going to continue, if you had VIX pulled up, you'd notice that it held that 19 level and basically trended up all the way until Nasdaq started to find its bottom. This is not a every single time. Some days both will trend in the same direction, and on days like that, usually I don't trade because it's not like a clear momentum direction. But in general, if you monitor VIX, it can kind of give you an idea of, okay, yeah, VIX pulled back a little bit while Nasdaq was rallying, but then we had that just trend all the way up. And that kind of gave me the confidence on Friday to take the short as we held below that 22,000 level on Nasdaq. We came below, we retested that 22,000, and then we continued to fall all the way to 21,800. And another thing I use as Confluence is the SPX. Now, SPX to me gives me a little bit cleaner of an idea on how everything is moving. I had this 6,020 previous key level. As you can see, we rejected it pretty much all week, and we came right back up to that on Friday, and then we rejected it all the way back down. Now that's what I'm going to be monitoring this week is SPX above 6,020, and do we continue to all-time highs, or does it drop below 59.50 and we have a little bit of a pullback for the foreseeable future? Now, with that being said, if you got anything valuable from this video, or if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below.